8 DIY home remedies for head lice using coconut oil. Head lice infest the scalp and hair and leave the affected person scratching for days. They do not only cause embarrassment but also damage hair greatly. Avoiding lice-affected people as much as possible is necessary as they are easily transferred. If you unfortunately get head lice, there are several ways to get rid of them. One of the effective ways is to use coconut oil for head lice. What is coconut oil? Coconut oil, a fatty oil or semisolid fat extracted from fresh coconuts, is one of the most cost-natural and effective approaches for treating head lice. Used in many soaps and beauty products, coconut oil doesn't contain harsh chemicals and allows your hair to grow healthily without infection. Coconut oil is also used in the food and medicine industries because of its high saturated fat content and lasts up to 2 years without spoiling. Is coconut oil good for head lice? Coconut oil treats head lice with its natural properties as its fatty content suffocates the lice and makes it harder for them to maintain a grip on the hair follicles. Coconut oil has a lubricating nature that stops lice from moving freely and prevents lice growth. Coconut oil controls head lice infestations and acts as an effective repellent against lice in the future. How to use coconut oil for lice? Try these natural home remedies for curing head lice. Coconut oil rids dandruff in addition to head lice, leaving hair smooth and shiny. Always use organic, virgin coconut oil that is white in color and smells of coconut. 1. Coconut oil and apple cider vinegar for head lice. Apple cider vinegar dissolves the glue which lice eggs use to stick to hair follicles. Coat your hair thoroughly with a bottle of apple cider vinegar. Allow the apple cider vinegar to dry completely. Coat your hair thoroughly with a jar of coconut oil. Cover with a shower cap or towel for 3 to 5 hours. Comb your hair to remove the dead lice and eggs. Shampoo and condition your hair. Repeat if needed. 2. Coconut oil with garlic. Garlic has antiseptic properties and a strong fragrance which suffocate and kill lice. Mix 8 to 10 cloves of ground garlic and 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. Coat your hair thoroughly with the paste and leave for 30 minutes. Comb your hair to remove the dead lice and eggs. Shampoo and condition your hair. Repeat regularly for best results. 3. Coconut oil with lemon, garlic and green tea. Mix fresh garlic juice, coconut oil, lemon extract, and green tea. Coat your hair thoroughly with the solution. Cover with a shower cap or towel for 30 to 60 minutes. Comb your hair to remove the dead lice and eggs. Shampoo and condition your hair. Repeat weekly for 2 months for best results. 4. Tea tree oil and coconut oil for head lice. Tea tree oil has natural insecticide properties that kill head lice. Process 1. Mix 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 ounce of natural shampoo, and a teaspoon of tea tree oil. Coat your hair thoroughly with the paste. Cover with a shower cap or towel for 30 minutes. Comb your hair to remove the dead lice and eggs. Shampoo and condition your hair. Repeat regularly for best results. Process 2. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 3 to 5 drops of tea tree oil. Coat your hair thoroughly with the solution. Cover with a shower cap. Leave overnight. Blow dry your hair over the shower cap for 3 to 5 minutes to suffocate the lice. Apply shampoo the next morning and massage your scalp. Cover with a shower cap or towel for 30 minutes. Comb your hair to remove the dead lice and eggs. Shampoo and condition your hair. Repeat regularly for best results. 5. Coconut oil with tea tree oil shampoo. Coat your hair thoroughly with coconut oil. Cover with a shower cap. Blow dry your hair over the shower cap for 3 to 5 minutes to suffocate the lice. Leave for 2 to 4 hours. Wash with tea tree oil shampoo. Repeat regularly for best results. 6. Coconut oil. Coat your hair thoroughly coconut oil and massage your scalp. You can also add neem to it. Cover with a shower cap or towel for 1 to 2 hours. Comb your hair to remove the dead lice and eggs. Shampoo and condition your hair. Apply coconut oil to dry hair and massage your scalp. Cover with a shower cap or towel and leave overnight. Comb your hair to remove the dead lice and eggs the next morning. Shampoo and condition your hair. Repeat 1 to 2 times weekly for best results. 7. Coconut oil with oil of oregano. Mix 5 parts coconut oil and 1 part oregano oil. Coat your hair thoroughly with the solution. Comb your hair to remove the dead lice and eggs. Shampoo and condition your hair. Repeat regularly for best results. 8. Coconut conditioner with apple cider vinegar. Add apple cider vinegar to coconut conditioner and mix well. Coat your hair thoroughly with the conditioner and massage your scalp. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Comb your hair to remove the dead lice and eggs. Shampoo and condition your hair. Repeat twice weekly for best results.